Let me start with something a little uncomfortable. Cybersecurity is not the right career for everyone. I know it's trending right now. I know you've probably seen videos talking about high salaries, massive demand, and how this is the future. And yes, a lot of that is true. But I've also seen people spending months studying, buying courses, collecting certification, and then quietly realizing they don't actually enjoy this work. And by the time they realize they've already invested that time, money, and a lot of energy. That's why I want to slow this down a bit. Before you fully commit to this path, before you put all your focus into it, let's take a step back and ask an honest question. Is cybersecurity really right for me? Hi, I'm Hemant, a UK-based cybersecurity professional with 20 plus years in the industry, and I've worked across real enterprise environments in different geographies. And I'm here to help you decide if cybersecurity career is right for you or not. Maybe right now you're feeling confused. On one side, you keep hearing that cybersecurity has massive demand. You hear about six-figure salaries, talent shortages, and how companies are desperately hiring. It sounds exciting, but at the same time, you probably feel overwhelmed. There are so many certifications being recommended, so many tools people say you must learn. And when you search online, everyone has a different opinion about what to do first. It can feel like you're already behind before you have even started. And maybe in the back of your mind, you're asking yourself some honest questions. Do I need to know coding to survive in this field? Is it too technical for me? Will I actually be good at this? What if I invest months into learning and then realize I chose the wrong path? That uncertainty creates pressure, and that pressure makes it harder to think clearly. I understand that completely. I've mentored people who felt exactly the same way. They were not lazy or incapable. They were just overwhelmed by noise. And that's normal. Let me ask you something simple. When you think about cybersecurity, what actually excites you? Is it salary? Is it the idea of hacking? Or is it the idea of solving real technical problems? Take a moment and be honest with yourself, because that answer matters more than you realize. I've been in this industry for over 20 years and I've seen people grow very quickly, but I've also seen people quietly step away from it. And the difference was rarely intelligence, it was alignment. The people who stayed and grew were the ones who genuinely enjoyed the nature of the work. So instead of asking, is cybersecurity in demand, which it is, let's ask a better question. Do you actually enjoy the kind of problem cybersecurity requires you to solve? Let's talk about that honestly. Now let's talk about why cybersecurity is attractive, and honestly, it deserves some of that attention. Firstly, there's a strong global demand. Every company today runs on technology. Your banks, hospitals, startups, government, all of them rely on system and data. And every one of those systems needs protection. That's not going away anytime soon. So from a stability point of view, this field has a long-term relevance. Second is growth. This is one of those careers where the more you learn, the more valuable you become. You're not stuck doing the same thing for years unless you choose to do. If you keep improving your skills, new roles and opportunities naturally opens up. Third, salary. Let's talk about this realistically without exaggeration. At entry level in the US, you might start somewhere around $60,000 to $80,000 a year. In the UK, that's roughly 30,000 to 40,000 pounds. And in India, typically around 4 to 8 lakhs annually. It's not instant luxury, but it is solid. And as you gain experience, those numbers grow. In the US, mid-level professional often cross $100,000. UK, 60 to 90,000 pounds is common for experienced professionals. And in India, 15 to 30 lakhs and sometimes more in specialized position. The reason is simple: the more responsibility you handle, the more impact you have. And cybersecurity protects critical systems, so real skills gets rewarded. And fourth, problem solving. If you genuinely enjoy figuring things out, investigating patterns, understanding how systems behave and why something broke, this work can be very satisfying. There's a certain fulfillment that comes from solving a security problem and knowing you prevented something serious. Now let's talk about the part people don't always highlight. This is usually where some people realize that the field may not be for them, and that's completely okay. First, it can feel overwhelming. There's always something new to learn. New tools, new threats, new technologies, and you will never reach a point where you know everything. And if that idea makes you uncomfortable, if you prefer certainty and fixed knowledge, this field might be stressful over time. Second, it's not constant cool hacking. A lot of day-to-day work involves reviewing alerts, looking at the logs, analyzing behavior, writing reports, attending meetings, document finding. It is important work. It protects a real system, but it is not always dramatic or exciting. Third, there's a responsibility. When something goes wrong or when systems are under attack, the decisions you make can matter a lot. That level of responsibility energizes some people, but for others, it creates pressure. And fourth, you can't really stop learning. Technology evolves, threat evolves, cloud changes, tool changes. If you're looking for a career where you learn once and then repeat the same task comfortably for years, cybersecurity may frustrate you. It's a growing field and growth requires continuous effort. Let me suggest something simple you can do. Instead of overthinking this, try a small experiment. Set up a basic lab at home. Nothing complicated, just a virtual machine. Try a beginner room on Try Hack Me. Look at some logs, maybe even break something and try to fix it. Now here's the important part. While you're doing this, pay attention to yourself. How do you feel? Do you feel curious, like you want to understand what's happening? Or do you feel irritated, bored, or drained? Curiosity is a very good sign. Frustration is normal, everyone gets stuck sometimes, but frustration without any interest to dig deeper, that's a warning sign. This small experiment can give you more clarity than watching 50 YouTube videos, and it might save your months of confusion. So how do you actually decide? Instead of looking at trends or salaries, ask yourself a few honest questions. Do you enjoy understanding how systems work? Are you okay with not knowing everything immediately and figuring things out step by step? Do you like solving structured problems? Can you handle responsibility when things matter? Be honest with yourself here. No one else needs to hear the answer. If most of your answers are yes, then cybersecurity can be a very strong long-term career for you. But if you're here only because you heard about the salary and deep down you don't enjoy technical things or problem solving, the journey will feel heavy. And that's okay. It's much better to gain clarity now than to decide later that you forced yourself into something that doesn't suit you. The goal is not to choose the most popular field. The goal is to choose the right field for you. Let me give you some balanced advice. Cybersecurity is not easy, but it is absolutely learnable. This field doesn't reward brilliance as much as people think. It rewards consistency. You don't need to be the smartest person in the room. You don't need to be a genius coder. What you really need is patience, curiosity, and discipline. You need to be okay with learning step by step. You need to be willing to sit with a problem a little longer instead of giving up quickly. If you build strong foundation, gain real exposure through labs or work, and keep improving gradually, growth will follow. Not overnight, not magically, but steadily. And steady growth over a few years becomes powerful. So don't focus on whether you are talented enough. Focus on whether you are willing to stay consistent enough. That's what makes the difference in this field. So is cybersecurity right for you? It depends less on market demand and more on whether you genuinely enjoy the nature of the work. Yes, the demand is real. Yes, the salary growth is real. But the effort required is also real. This is not a shortcut career. It's a skill-based career. And the only way you'll know for sure is not by watching more videos or reading more opinions. It's by taking small actions. Clarity doesn't come from overthinking. It comes from trying, experiencing, and paying attention to how you feel while doing it. Take a small step, test it, observe yourself, and then decide. That's how you make a strong career decision. If you are genuinely serious about exploring cybersecurity, don't just keep watching videos. Start small. Set up a basic lab, go back to the fundamental. Try something practical and see how you feel doing it. That small action will teach you more than hours of research. And tell me in the comments what part of cybersecurity interests you the most right now. Is it SOC, cloud, pen testing, or JRC? I read my comments and I'll guide you on what your next step should be. And if you want honest, experience-based guidance, not hype, not shortcuts, make sure you are subscribed. Until next time, stay curious, stay cyber safe.